Demet Özdemir just shared new photos and videos. They are from yesterday, and she added that they went to many interesting places with her friends. We know that yesterday she was in the restaurant with her best friends. As well, new photos from the wood came and the forest mood. Beautiful actors gave poses and took many photos with the nature. Demet Özdemir likes nature, and she always preferred to be in the nature as well. She added that her favorite season is summer because she loves so much the sea. Actress right now added that she mostly spent her time with her friends and family.